Fuel for Thought Hellenic Mentoring Initiative invites you to participate in our 2020 Study Skills Challenge. We want to hear from you. Share your top 3 study skills with us today. Email your name and top 3 suggestions to p4tinfo@gmail.com by December 21st. The top 10 tips received will be included in our January 2021 Study Skills podcast to help prepare and empower students for the upcoming semester. Suggested tips may include one or more of the following: building online research skills, creating good study space, communicating with teachers and peers, helpful and reliable online resources, helpful writing and outlining tips, leading online group discussions, navigating online discussion posts, note-taking in online and hybrid courses, planning for your senior thesis, speed reading basics, time management and organization skills, surviving small group projects without getting flustered and doing all the work, or any related skills that were really helpful to you in getting through the fall 2020 or spring 2020 semesters. Ella, we want to hear from you. Please help us educate, inspire, and empower young professionals today and in the future. Once again, that email is p4tinfo@gmail.com. We look forward to hearing from you.